Hi, I'm Mike Pennington, Director of Training at Meguiar's, and we're here today to show you how to create a hydrophobic design on your very own car. So let's show you how it's done. So to start with, you're going to need some Supreme Shine microfiber towels. You're going to need a few rolls of masking tape. Of course, you'll need some rubbing alcohol, and we'll show you how to use that later. And then, to create the hydrophobic effect, our all-new Ultimate Quik Wax. For demonstration purposes, we're going to be using a panel, but you're going to be working on a vertical surface on your car. The first and probably most important step of creating your own design is to remove all the wax and polish off your car. This is going to allow you to really see the design because the unprotected area is going to be in contrast to that protected area you created with Ultimate Quik Wax. So let's show you how that's done by simply taking your rubbing alcohol and a Supreme Shine microfiber, applying a little onto the towel, and thoroughly wipe that panel on your vehicle, whether you're working on the door, the rear quarter panel. And again, what you're doing is removing all the wax and polish. And the next step is actually creating the design, and this is where all the fun comes out. And there's really two ways you can do that. To start with, you can use masking tape and tape a checkered flag, a checkerboard, circles. The other option is to use a stencil. This was created on a computer, and there's all kinds of designs, whether that's a personal design of yours, and then you just take it to a print shop and they'll go ahead and create this stencil for you as long as you bring them the design.